In the hours after Operation Sindoor, tensions ran high. Although the Indian fighter jets returned safely, the threat was far from over. Pakistan responded with a swarm of drones and missiles aimed at Indian cities and military bases. Now, this wasn't a traditional attack, it was a coordinated attempt to confuse, disrupt, and challenge India's preparedness on all the fronts. Now, around 15 cities were targeted. Now, these included Jammu, Udhampur, Pathankot, Amritsar, Ludhiana, and Bhuj. All the cities were either civilian population centers or home to key defense assets. Now, Jammu faced temporary blackouts and explosions. Talking about Pathankot, the drones approached the airbase but were taken down before the impact. Now, Udhampur and Amritsar saw aerial intrusions that triggered high alert responses. Now, these were the cities attacked by Pakistan. Now, even Bhuj in Gujarat, which is hundreds of kilometers away, Bhuj was not spared either. But India didn't flinch. It didn't wait. It fought back in the skies using some of the world's most advanced air defense systems. The attack was swiftly neutralized. But the question is, how exactly did India manage to stop such a complex aerial assault? Let us try to understand how India's multi-layered air defense system works. Now, this air defense system is a powerful shield that keeps our skies safe. Now, India's air defense works like a three-layer shield, each layer watching the skies and prepared to stop threats at different distances. Let's talk about the first layer, which is the outer layer, which is shielded by S400 Triumph air defense system. This is India's first line of defense, and India got this from Russia. It can detect and destroy threats up to 400 kilometers away. Now think of it as an ultra powerful radar and missile launcher. It constantly scans the skies using the radars. When it spots an incoming missile, drone or aircraft, it locks on instantly. Within seconds, it fires a missile that intercepts and destroys the threat before it even enters the Indian airspace. It's like a sniper hitting its target from a distance. The second is the middle layer, which is guided or guarded by Akash Missile defense system. If a threat gets past the S-400, the Akash steps in. It protects targets within a 30 to 50 kilometer range, and Akash is built in India. It is designed to engage low to medium altitude threats like aircraft, cruise missiles, and the unmanned aerial vehicles. It acts fast and hits very hard. It's like a midfielder that blocks anything slipping past the first line. The third layer is the inner layer, which is guarded by the SPYDER system. This is the final protection. If a drone flies low trying to avoid detection, the SPYDER system is ready. It reacts in seconds. It is compact, mobile, and deadly accurate. It protects airports, command centers, and the frontline bases. SPYDER catches what others might miss, especially in the last few kilometers. Now, together, the S400, SPYDER, and Akash systems form a layered dome of protection over the Indian skies. Each one talks to the other. If one misses, the next one is ready. Nothing gets through without a fight. Now, behind this technology is human vigilance. The radar operators, the Air Force personnel, the ground defense systems worked round the clock. The alerts were issued, zones were secured, backup units were on standby. The civilians in affected cities stayed calm, followed advisories by the government of India, and didn't give in to the panic or fake news peddled across the border. Now, this was not just about missiles intercepting drones. It was about a nation staying composed under fire. Every alert sounded, every drone intercepted, every missile stopped midair. No major damage, no civilian casualties. By this, India sent a message to the world. Pakistan's intention was to provoke, mislead, and pressure, but instead, it saw India united, alert, and protected. The air defense shield proved its worth. The people showed their strength. This is the new India, high-tech, highly alert, and always ready.